guys. I forgot to start this video, so I thought I would start it right now. I'm back, and today I am going to be making a recipe from Chrissy Teigen'S cookbook. Finally gonna be making the coconut chicken fingers. I forget what they're called, but yeah, I'm gonna be making them. I've been wanting to make them for a really long time, so I'm super excited. So right now I need to go pick up a few things from the store. I'm gonna go to Starbucks. The Target has been acquired. Yeah, and good news, there's no lineup at the Starbucks inside the grocery store, so that's pretty exciting. Yeah. So, see you at home. Okay, so I'm going to whisk together sweet chili sauce, coconut.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
I didn't get coconut milk. I didn't get coconut milk. Okay, so after a brief panic, I've learned that you can make coconut milk yourself. So I'm going to try and do that. Okay, so basically I have water and shredded coconut, and then I'm gonna blend it and then squeeze it through like a towel, and then it's coconut milk. Okay, so I just blended it. This is like too easy, I'm worried. Okay, so I think I'm gonna attempt to squeeze it through this new J-cloth. Why am I killing it? All right, I'm nervous. Why are you smelling it? Oh wow, this looks just like it did in the video. This is so awesome. Oh, I splattered everywhere. Okay. Oh my God. I'm literally in shock. I love it when things go my way. Huh. Oh, that was dumb, that was dumb. That is so cool. Okay, so now I can actually start making the chicken. Yeah, this is where we left off.
Whisk together sweet chili sauce, coconut milk, pineapple juice, lime juice, garlic, and salt.
Hi. I just turned on the coffee grinder. That was terrifying. My back door screen open because it's so nice out, but all my neighbors are being loud. Guys, I'm trying to film a YouTube video. Thank you so much. Okay. Is this better? Okay, that's good. Okay, so large bowl. I'm going to just whisk everything together. I'm so happy we had this. I was nervous. Bloop. Quarter cup of our coconut milk. Pineapple juice. That was difficult. Zesting time. Okay, I don't like this zester. I'm just I think that's enough zest. I'm just gonna add a little bit more pineapple juice and a little bit more coconut milk because I spilled everywhere like an idiot. Lime juice. This is Clown Pig. Aww. And this is the juicer. Lime juice. 3 cloves of garlic. I'm just gonna do 2. Okay, look at, okay, this part is so fun. Look. Look at this. You put the garlic in there. Amazing. A little more. That'll do it. Okay, and salt. Now we whisk. It smells really good. Should I taste it? That's good. Okay, now for the scary part, the chicken. Now I don't know how I should cut this. I'm not gonna show you because it just it's like raw chicken and I don't know. Some people might not want to see that, so I'm gonna make this sauce now. In a small bowl, stir together.
Sweet chili sauce, pineapple, lime juice, garlic, and salt.
Now I'm going to actually finally make the chicken fingers. I'm just gonna put them in a pan with some oil. But I did already mixed up the breading, and then it's just gonna be egg in here, cornstarch in there, and yeah. Okay. Okay, so there were a couple unforeseen circumstances. It's now time to cook these. Look how they look really good. So I'm gonna fry them and then that will be it. All right, so this brings us to the end of the video. They turned out pretty good. I'm just eating them now. So yeah, I'm super proud of myself and hope you liked it.